Let's see if I can do this on camera here really quick. So we'll get this set like that. And I'm kind of doing this the wrong grip. It would be easier if it was facing me, but as you can see, I hold one side and as I tighten the other. Now this doesn't have to be super, super tight. It's really just to snug again, which should be about enough right there, actually. That's good and tight, okay? So go ahead and connect this end here to the elbow using your 17 millimeter, and again, tighten it down until snug, and you're gonna feed the hose back through the other end underneath the gap, just like that, which is off camera right now, I know, but I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. But the setup on this is really easy, and I wanted to make sure to show this step to make sure about adjusting the angle here. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit high. There's a little bit where it sticks up. Now, granted, the lift is gonna have the blocks on it to give me a little bit of additional height, but I'm not sure, I want to make sure that I'm not too high with the hose. So we're gonna take, excuse me, we're gonna take my 18, I'm gonna loosen this again a little bit. I'm gonna turn this down just a smidge. We're almost closer to flat right now, really close to having that elbow be flat to the plane of the lift. And then we just tighten back up, just like that. There we go. That's gonna make me feel a little bit more comfortable as I use it. And then I can take my 17 and just tighten this side down. Okay, so now if you haven't done the other side yet, because I usually will do this in pairs. So as I do one side, I'm most familiar with the instructions, and then I'll go ahead and do the other side as we get that tightened down just like that. Good.